Hello friends, welcome to TechBitSoft. So today we are going to understand how we can install Java and IntelliJ, right, in Windows. As IntelliJ one of the popular ID right now. Before that Eclipse was there. So now we understand how to install Windows and Java and IntelliJ in Windows. So let me open the browser and first I will click on download Java. Okay, so download like Java 17. Just click on it directly and you will get that this link. Go down and here you will get so we want which archive or MSI version, whichever is required. So let me look on it once. So you can come to here MSI installer, right? So that I can directly MSI installer you have to download. Just click on it so it will start the download. Parallelly let me download that IntelliJ also. So just click on download IntelliJ Community Edition. Okay, not like Ultimate Edition. So you can see here you will get the Ultimate Edition, which we do not have to download. We have to download the Community Edition. So just click on this download. So it is also started the downloading. It will take some time. I think JDK is over. Let me open the JDK once. It is in the download folder here. Just click on next, next. Yeah, that's it. Next, I have to click on it so that it is installed successfully. If you want to check, you can open the terminal, CMD. Okay, you can check here Java hyphen version. You can say that you will get Java 17, which is already present right now, right? So Java is installed successfully. Let me open the IntelliJ. It is also download successfully. I think it's already. So let me the download once again. So IntelliJ is completed successfully. Just open it. Click on yes. Next. It will take the location. Don't change it. Keep it as it is. Next. Yeah. So I want that community edition. Create accept shortcut. Yeah, fine. Update path variable. Yeah. And update context menu. Create .java, .gradle, .groovy. Let me click on all that format forms also and click on next. Install. Yeah. So this time I don't want to reboot. So I want manually reboot later, right? And I will click on finish. then Intellij has installed successfully. Right, now let me open it. So it is from Jack Brand. We have download community version only, right? So first time when you will open the Intellij, you will get this Intellij ID user agreement. Click on I confirm and click on continue. Right, data sharing, yeah, don't send. So you will get this kind of interface at beginning, right? So we don't have anything, right? So what do we do? First I will open the project or create the project. So let me go on a click on the plus only. So it will ask me what project you want to create, Kotlin, Groovy. So I'm creating a Java project, right? So I will say like it could be my first project, first project or first Java project. It could be any name, okay? I'm just giving it. So what project I want to create? I want to create Maven project. Always pick Maven project. So it will pick the JDK, right? And we'll click on create. So this time you can say that that project is created. Right, so it will give some formatted XML file. That time you don't have to worry about it. You can look, I will explain that later on. Right now you have to just ignore it. Okay, so one class we will get, so here it will give you some shortcut, right? To run the code, press shift plus F10, that will run the code, right? Alt plus enter, right? So that is used for highlight the text, right? Shift plus F9 to start the debugging, right? You can always add more, pressing control F8. So these are the different shortcuts which you can look on it, right? And if you want to create your own program, I can go com.example. I will create a new and I will create a class. So I will give some name like my class, something like that. Okay, and here I can keep main method. So just click on it.